Hello, in that video I'm going to explain how to create Google Sheets web apps and how embed web apps to the G-Accon Webhooks. First of all, let's start from how we can create web apps using Appscript. Web apps is not G-Accon functionality, it's a standard Google Sheets functionality. This is the page where you can find more information and detailed information how it can be done. I'm gonna use doGet. doPost is more secured, and probably for production use you would like to use doPost, but doGet is easy to test, and because you can put the URL in browser. So let's start. So first of all, let's go to Appscript. I just went ahead and created a small functionality. As I mentioned, as you can see, in order to create web app, you should have a function which is doGet or doPost. In my situation, doGet. Next, we have I created postprocessor function, which is go to the reading the chart of account from the sheets and copying that to the account copy. And that functionality just reading the getting the sheet by name. So let's start. First of all, let's go to the G-Accon Fox 0 and let's pull the chart of accounts. Now let's create another sheet where we're gonna copy the information. Now let's deploy our code as a web app. So in order to do that, we need to go to new deployment, select web app. If it is not selected, give some description. And here we're selecting anyone, or if you need to put some security, you can actually go to the doGet and using the HTTP request for headers, you can actually put some security so not everybody can access to your web sheet deploy. So we're getting the link, and now let's test it. So in order to test it, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in the browser, and if everything is okay, we will get, as you can see, we're everything what was in the account sheet was copied to account copy. So looks like it's working. Practically, again, what's going on here, when we are sending, we are putting it in the browser that URL, what's happening, the execution getting to that place, and then it's hitting the code, and that code can be anything. So here for demo purposes, obviously it's a simple code, but you can process data, you can parse the data, you can copy that to database, or you can call your web services, so they're practically unlimited capability here. Now let me show how you can using that URL, how you can actually use it with a Webflow, G-Accon Webflow. So again, I'm deleting that, as I'm using that for visualization. Go to the automation, go to create workflow. Giving the name. First of all, I'm gonna pull the chart of accounts, so I will have the fresh copy. Now I'm taking that URL and embedding that in webhooks. Now I need to test if it's working. Again, when I'm testing, I'm hitting that webhook, so it's triggering the function. So as you can see, everything was copied. And now I'm gonna create it. And the final stage, let's test everything together. So I'm gonna let's execute workflow and see how everything works together. So we're creating automating operation event log, refreshing the chart of accounts. Then we're sending the request to the script, and as you can see, we're hitting the Appscript and copying the data. So this is how the easiest, simplest way you can embed the using G-Accon webhooks, and how you can integrate and create the post process which can do anything practical.